Alright guys, you asked for it and here it is, the brand new 18 volt brushless 12-inch RYOBI chain saw. So this is the second video of the RYOBI outdoor power tools. The first was a string trimmer, now it's this beast right here. And I gotta be honest with you, I think this is gonna be more fun than the trimmer was. So this was a recent release from the RYOBI Outdoors. Now I'll be honest with you, when you pick this bad boy up, it actually feels like you're holding a gas saw. 12 inches of pure power. I have been playing with this thing for the last few days and I have been having way too much fun. We're gonna do some chopping and all that good stuff, but let's look at the specs on this thing right here. This right here is 18 volts and we got the 4.0 battery in it. One of the first things I noticed when I picked this up was how well it actually felt in the hands and how well it was actually built. It feels like you have a gas saw in your hands. Everything about this felt comfortable and balanced. Now before we do some slicing and dicing, we still got to add some chain and bar oil. Yes, even though this is battery operated, you still need that oil. All you got to do is go to the Home Depot, pick up about a $4 quart, throw some in right here, and you're good to go. It's going to lubricate that chain, that bar, and it's going to keep you cutting for a very long time. And if you don't, well, you're just going to burn things up. Now, again, we're using a 4.0 on this saw, but you can use any battery that RYOBI had for the ONE+ line since 1996, and it doesn't matter what size. Right here is your safety lock. You have to pull this back or the trigger will not run. This is a good thing. Also, this is one of the coolest features on this saw. This is the chain tension. All you have to do is loosen it up, go left or right on that dial, and it'll actually loosen or tighten with a flick of the wrist. No tools needed with this. Just very, very easy, very cool. Now just a safety toolbox talk here. This does not come with a kickback guard, FYI. It does, however, come with a pretty nice brush guard. It's going to protect your knuckles and all that good stuff. But you know what? I want to cut things. So let's try it out on a piece of treated 4x4 first. Now I just want to see if this goes through a treated 4x4 and how well it does. Let's try it out. All right, that was nice and easy. And the close-up. So far, no issues at all with the treated 4x4. So you're probably asking yourself, dude, why are you cutting through a hollow door? You know what? Because it's fun and I want it to. I mean, come on, who doesn't want to cut through a door with a chainsaw? It was just so fun. But you know what? I know there's something else out there. There's got to be something else out there for me to cut. What though? What? Tree here is just nasty old. I'm just going to chop it down, but I really don't want to put my camera in the way, so let me just chop it real quick. So I don't really want video evidence of me slicing and dicing the neighbor's tree, but I will show you that this goes through like butter. Now for an 18-volt chainsaw, I am impressed with this, and it just seems like a lot of the RYOBI outdoor tools that they are coming out with are just tough. I mean, there's no other way to say it. Is this for a professional lumberjack? No. Is this for a DIYer for around the house? Absolutely 100%. I do know that they have a 40-volt chainsaw out on the market. For what I'm using this for, and for what you're probably going to be using this for, this is more than enough power. No more storing gasoline in the garage, no more mixing, no more any of that, no more fumes, no more pulling on the cord. It is just very well built and easy to use. Pull the trigger, boom, it's done. Now the chain bar tension, that thing is just easy to use. If it loosens up, which I have to be honest, for all the cutting I was doing, I haven't had any issues with that, but all you gotta do, flick of a wrist, and it's tight again. I love how comfortable it feels in the hands, and I love that you could just put in another battery if one of them dies. So if you like this, I will put a link in the description for this saw. Once again, thumbs up, subscribe, check us out at www.toolreviewzone.com, and we will be back with our third video that showcases the all-new RYOBI leaf blower.